It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you a pair of Prada sunglasses that I love. Now you guys, I do love having a lot of sunglasses just for different options for different occasions, but I want to tell you something about these glasses that make them stand apart from the rest. And that's going to be how lightweight they are. Now you have big frames, but the construction is very lightweight because you have narrow or skinny arms on both sides and that lightweight durable plastic, and then that plastic frame with the lenses as well. So these feel very lightweight, but they don't feel cheap either. And of course, I love them on. Let me show you close up. So very classic look, and they're so comfortable, super lightweight on my face. I love how thin that arm is, even when you're looking at me peripherally. I love the way they look straight on, and of course on the other side. They're absolutely beautiful classic sunglasses. If you guys are thinking about purchasing them, don't think anymore. I think you'll love them. That's my point of view.